Children, you can observe these activities by yourself. Page number 133 and 134. Now look at these differences between reversible and irreversible changes are listed below. In reversible change, a substance can turn to its original state, but the chemical properties of the substance do not change. For example, water. When it is in liquid form, H2O is there, two hydrogen atoms. When it is solid form, same H2O is there, two hydrogen atoms. Okay? Most of the physical changes are reversible. For example, water. Okay, solid. When it is ice, water is in the form of solid. When you will melt, it become liquid. So now physical change. Understand? But in the irreversible change, a substance cannot change to its original state. Okay? But here the chemical properties of the substance will definitely change. That you will study in higher grades. Now we are in third part, waste generated in our environment. What is waste? Waste is any substances. Okay, waste is a thing, an object which is discarded after use, after primary use, which is we are throwing after use. Discarded means throw. Waste is worthless, defective and no use. Defective means broken piece. We cannot use it again. Okay, they are unwanted. Nobody want this defective things. And undesirable, nobody like to keep with you, nobody like to use with this object, with this thing, material. So which is known as waste. Okay, we are going to learn, children, waste from school and household waste. Okay, so first we will study household waste. What is waste from our home? Let us see. Waste from home is known as household waste. Okay, solid waste disposed from home and apartments comprise of garbage and rubbish. So waste from our home is known as household waste. Apartment means also like a flat. Okay, you can say. So this household waste is more, very high, you can say, which is solid waste is more high compared to liquid and gas waste. Bottles, cans, clothing, compost, disposable items and food packaging, newspapers, magazines and trimmings, etc. Compost means the vegetable peels and the fruit peels, leftover food, all these things along with the soil decay and used is as a fertilizer for growing plant. Now we can classify the household waste as below, like organic waste, toxic waste. Let us see what is organic waste. Kitchen waste, vegetable, flowers, leaves, fruits, etc. are organic waste. And toxic waste, look at this page number 134, or toxic waste. Old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers, pesticides and containers, batteries, shoe polish, etc. are very dangerous to us. Recyclable waste like paper, glass, metals and plastics. From that we can make new type of paper, new type of glass. Okay, and soiled waste means that clothes soiled with blood, with other body fluids, etc. Electronic waste means computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, etc. Children, now you see these are the different types of dangerous waste are generated to our houses. So children, before throwing your household waste, you should separate them, like household waste, like recyclable waste, soiled waste, or toxic waste. So it will easy for them to recycle. Okay, and try to avoid waste things and try to reuse the things. Okay, so it will control it. So children, try to observe this activity 4 and follow it. Now, wastes from school. Children, now listen carefully, okay? You leave many waste materials inside your classroom and throw away many things in the school campus. If they are not collected and disposed properly, your environment will be polluted. Papers, pen, rubber bands and its parts, blades, chocolates, covers and plastic items are found in the school environment. Have you understood? So children's leaving so many waste materials in the class as well as in the ground. So if they are not disposed properly, what will happen? Your environment will polluted, and from this so many diseases will occur and affected to so many children. So it is very dangerous to our health also. The single most common materials generated in schools is food waste. Food is not only wasted, but it is also thrown away everywhere, making your surrounding unclean, untidy, isn't it? Children, what it says? Food is like precious. We should not waste. If we don't want, we can give to needy people, poor people. So it will affect to you and to those people also.